Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have admin access and a clear goal. Stop apps from asking permission while keeping functionality. First, audit which permissions trigger prompts and why they are requested. Once done, switch to web or PWA versions where possible, or use sandboxed profiles to isolate apps. Make sure to record which apps truly need persistent access and which can work with on-demand sharing. Take action now. Disable non-essential permissions and set restrictive defaults so prompts stop appearing repeatedly. Next, implement targeted workarounds that reduce prompts without breaking tasks. You can run services in the browser to bypass native permission models or create a secondary user profile with stricter rules. Once configured, install privacy-focused replacements and revoke permissions for the originals. Make sure to test each replacement end-to-end so features work as expected. While doing this, keep an eye on background services and revoke anything that still requests access unnecessarily. This prevents future interruptions. Finish by locking your new defaults so apps cannot re-request permissions unexpectedly. You can use device management, parental controls, or profile locks to enforce settings. Once locked, create a backup or restore point in case you need to revert. If an app malfunctions after permission removal, grant the minimal temporary access required and immediately explore alternative apps or workflows. One troubleshooting tip: if prompts persist, clear app data or reinstall from a trusted source before adjusting permissions again. This often resets stubborn behaviors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.